Am I really out of touch with the average Virginian? Do I really not know what it's like to be inside Walmart? We stopped by Walmart and asked Les, a worker, what he thought about senatorial candidate David Bruce.
Hi, my name is Les. I work at Walmart, and David came by, and he seems to be a very nice gentleman. He has a good personality. He would be wonderful to be in the U.S. Senate.
Let's see what Ms. Stockdale had to say about David.
Hi, I'm Ms. Stockdale. I've known David Bruce for a number of years, and I'm happy to be wholeheartedly endorsing him for the Senate. David is amazing. David is all about the work ethic. David is a perfect politician. David is worried about things like the fiscal cliff and the global economic collapse. Please give your wholehearted thoughts to David and his run for Senate. He is truly worthy. Thank you.
I'm David Bruce, and I approve this message.